Welcome to a world of wonder, where even the smallest particles hold big ideas. In this video, we're diving into 10 fascinating science facts across anatomy, biology, psychology, and more. These aren't the ones from your textbook. They're the strange, surprising, and unforgettable kind. Let's get started. First up, anatomy and physiology. Your stomach creates acid strong enough to dissolve metal. To keep itself from self-destructing, it regenerates its lining every few days. It's like your body's version of hitting refresh. Because if it didn't, you'd start digesting your own insides. That little growl? It's working overtime. Now let's move on to biology. There are more bacteria in your mouth than there are humans on Earth. Around 20 billion tiny organisms live inside your mouth, and brushing just keeps the peace. Most aren't bad, some help with digestion or keep other bacteria in check, but now you know, your mouth is never alone. Up next, chemistry. Glass is just melted sand, kind of. When you heat up silica sand with soda ash and limestone to extreme temperatures, it transforms into a clear, strong material we use every day. You can see through it, hold it, and even break it, all thanks to chemistry turning beach dust into something magical. Let's talk psychology. Your memory isn't a recording, it's a remix. Each time you recall a memory, your brain slightly rewrites it before saving it again. So what you think happened may be a version of a version. That embarrassing thing you keep replaying, it might not have even happened the way you think. Now shifting to human growth and development. Babies are born with around 300 bones. Adults have just 206. That's because as you grow, many bones fuse together. In a way, you start life with extra parts and become more streamlined with age, like nature's version of an update. Next up, biochemistry, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is the energy currency of your body. It powers everything from your heartbeat to your brain activity. And you produce about your entire body weight in ATP every single day. You may not see it, but you're a full-time energy factory. Let's take a look at sociology. Laughter is 30 times more likely in a group. Even if the joke isn't that funny, you'll laugh more when others do. That's because laughter is a social connector. It's not just about humor. It's about feeling like you belong. Now here's one from medical terminology. Epistaxis might sound intense, but it just means nosebleed. Medical terms often sound scarier than the condition itself. Cephalalgia? Just a headache. Sternutator? That's someone who sneezes. Sounds complicated, but it's just Latin in a lab coat. Almost there. Time for some math. The Fibonacci sequence, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on, shows up all over nature. You'll find it in pine cones, seashells, sunflower seeds, and even the spirals of galaxies. What looks like coincidence is actually math, quietly shaping the universe. And finally, let's wrap up with something fun about the language of science itself. Did you know the word science comes from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge? And that most science terms, like photosynthesis or cardiovascular, are built from Greek or Latin roots? Understanding a single root word like derm for skin or hemo for blood can help you decode dozens of complex terms. Science is like a puzzle. And once you learn the pieces, everything starts to click. And that's it. 10 science facts across 10 topics. If something surprised you, drop a comment and share it with someone curious. Thanks for watching. And remember, even the tiniest particle can spark a big idea.